What is ITIL for? And why does it matter in modern IT service management? IT teams today operate in a world shaped by cloud services, automation, AI, and constant change. Traditional, process-heavy ITSM models struggle to keep up. ITIL 4 was designed for this reality. ITIL 4 is a modern framework that focuses on value creation, collaboration, and flexibility. At the center of ITIL 4 is the Service Value System. It connects people, processes, partners, and technology into one system. ITIL 4 shifts from rigid processes to adaptable practices. Practices like incident management, change management, problem management, and service request management support real-world work. ITIL 4 embraces Agile, DevOps, and continuous improvement. Speed, automation, and learning are now essential. ITIL 4 becomes practical when the framework is supported by the right platform. Freshservice is built to align with ITIL 4 practices and modern ways of working.